Hey there, I'm Kyle with Maple Systems, and today we're going to be taking a look at one of the smaller Maple Systems HMIs, the cMT2058XH. Let's open the box, and the first thing you'll see is the warranty and the installation guide. Then there's a cMT2058XH, and it's wrapped in anti-static. Let's remove that. And then on the HMI, there is a detachable power connector where you can insert your wires for 24 volts, then reconnect it and turn on your power supply. Lastly, there are some brackets and screws to mount your HMI. Here is the 2058XH. It is a 4.3-inch high-res LCD resistive touchscreen, and on the bottom, see there are two RJ45 Ethernet ports. Those are used for uploading and downloading your project from EBPro, as well as going online with your HMI. It's also used for various Ethernet protocols. Next to that is a 2.0 USB port, which is used for uploading or downloading your project, as well as being used for saving backup files. It can be used for extended memory. Next to that is a DE9 serial port, which is RS232 and RS485, 2 or 4 wire. It's also used for various serial protocols. Next to that is the power connector for 24 DC power supply. So now what I want to show you is how you would power on the HMI. So I'm going to set the HMI back down, and I'm going to insert power connector to the HMI. Set it back down, and I'm going to turn on my power supply. And the HMI will boot up. Okay, here's the demo project, and you can see in the larger screen is VNC viewer. In the bottom left corner is the actual HMI. Now I'm going to go through some of the features in the demo project, as well as go through some of the HMI system settings. So you can see here there's switches and lamps. I'm going to go in here, and you can see some of the switches and lamps here. You can turn bits on and off, toggle. Some of these down here in the bottom right corner. Let's go home. Trend display. You can see a simulated trend display here. Go home. Meters and bar graphs. You can see some simulated meters and bar graphs here. Operation log. See this here. Go to alarm. You see some alarm features. Go back home. So now I want to show you some of the HMI system settings, and to do that, go to the top left corner. You'll see a round button here. Click that. And now I'm just going to switch from the stylus to my mouse in VNC viewer to control this. Now you can switch from light mode to dark mode. In your system properties, here you can see your model, HMI name, date, time. You can change the brightness on your HMI. You can turn the sound on and off, and language options. Project, you can restart your EBPro project. Network, security, Easy Access 2.0 and Code Assist. Now you'll need separate licenses for Easy Access 2.0 and Code Assist. VNC you can enable here, which is how I'm able to use VNC right now. FTP and printer. Now for some of the settings here, you'll need to enter an admin and password, which is 61. So for example, you want to change your IP address on your HMI, you'll click network. And then I have Ethernet LAN 2 configured to automatic, which is DHCP. You can also have it set to static IP. So you're going to click configure, and you'll need to enter those 6 ones. So the number pad, we'll enter 6 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Drop down the keypad, click OK. And now you can edit that IP address. Let's go back. So these are just some of the features in your HMI settings, as well in your demo project. Now I want to download a project from EBPro onto the HMI. So let's go into EBPro. Okay, I am in EBPro now, and the first thing I want to show you is that there are over 400 communication protocol drivers that you could connect to in EBPro. So to do that, go to your Home tab, System Parameters, New Device, and then here you can click and you can see all the communication protocol drivers here in this list. Now let's download a project to the HMI. So to do that, I'm going to go up to Project, go to Download, and make sure that the IP address is correct here. Make sure it's the same IP address that's on your HMI. Check off Runtime and click Download. Now it'll take some time to download to the HMI. It says Stop Project Now, and it's downloading the CXOB file. See the cMT series logo on the HMI. Extracting, updating the project now. Before you download your project to the HMI, you want to make sure that you have the Ethernet cable plugged into either LAN 1 or LAN 2, depending on which one you're using, and then you'll be able to download the project to the HMI. It's going to reboot the HMI. It's going to say wait for project ready, and then it will say finished, and then you will see the demo project load onto the HMI. Well, that wraps up everything today, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it on YouTube and subscribe to the Maple Systems YouTube page. To get more information on the HMI cMT line, you can visit the Maple Systems website or reach out to our sales team, sales@maplesystems.com. Also, be sure to watch the EBPro HMI software training located in our video center on the Maple Systems website under the Support tab. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.